guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to transform myself from this to this. So let's try something Gen Z because I'm a Gen Z. So transform myself. So this is how I look right now. Full on night dress में on lazy बनी हुई हूँ मैं अभी. So let's transform myself. Okay, let's go. So first I'm going to find some inspos like this. These are my inspos and according to them I will transform myself. So after the inspos, this is my list of transformation. First is the dress, selecting the dress and wearing it. Second one is makeup. Then we have hair. बालों को भी तो ट्रांसफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा ना, इस चोटली से कुछ और चाहिए हमें. और हेयर के बाद में आएगा फाइनली ज्वेलरी, जो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So let's start. So let's go to my room and select a good, nice, simple dress for me. So guys, मैं बहुत सिंपल रहती हूँ. I don't like dressing so much. जिसमें मैं comfortable हूँ मैं वही पहनती हूँ. तो today is gonna be आउट ऑफ द कंफर्ट जोन वाला चैलेंज. तो मैं अपने कंफर्ट जोन
मैं सोचती जा रही थी क्या पहनूं क्या नहीं पहनूं, एंड आई केम टू द डिसीजन कि ये पहनते हैं, एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी एट दैट मोमेंट.
फाउंड इट गाइस, लेट्स गो.
टी शर्ट तो डिसाइड कर लिया है, पर इसके नीचे पैंट कौन सी अच्छी लगेगी.
So the dress is decided. Now let's do our makeup. Makeup बहुत subtle रखेंगे, ज़्यादा heavy नहीं चाहिए. I'll use aloe vera gel. So after aloe gel, we will use a primer. Prepping the face because we won't put a lot of foundation. After this, we will just curl our eyelashes. Now I will apply a little concealer. I'm not using foundation. I don't want to use foundation. I'll apply a little concealer under my eyes. I'll be back. Done with the concealer. Compact powder. After this I'll put highlighter. ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए भाई, शादी में नहीं जा रहे हैं. मैं ये आपको कह देती हूँ, ब्लश के बिना Gen Z is incomplete. I'm telling you. मैं खुद ही ब्लश और ग्लॉस को बहुत पसंद करती हूँ. बहुत कम ओकेजन्स होते हैं जहाँ मैं मेकअप करती हूँ, और आई डोंट डू हैवी मेकअप. अपना कम, जितना मेकअप कम है उतना अच्छा है. तो मेरे फेयरवेल के वीडियो में देखा होगा, आई वॉज लाइक सो ईज्ड आउट, नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप, नॉट इवन अ लिपस्टिक. लेट्स पुट लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्लश. आई लव दिस शेड, इट्स लाइक रोज और समथिंग. सो आफ्टर द ब्लश वी विल अप्लाई आई शैडो. बहुत सिंपल कलर, not glitter. Apply a brown color and I'll be right back. I have applied eyeshadow. वो भी नहीं दिख रहा होगा. So after eyeliner we will put mascara. थोड़ा wing बनाया है मैंने, and I've made something. Guess in the comments. बहुत easy है क्या बनाया मैंने. Using like a chocolate brown color lip gloss. It will look perfect with the outfit I'm wearing. बालों का डिसाइड हो गया है, तो टिक. The last one is jewelry. So let's decide it right now. Okay, so I've kind of decided everything. Let's change my dress and I'll be back. Okay, no drama. So I'm wearing the dress. I won't show you until it's finally ready. Just putting a bow. It will look very cute with this outfit. And I'll keep it open, of course. I'm ready with my hair. So मैंने ये दो फूंदे लटकाए हुए हैं. हमारे हिंदी में फूंदे ही बोलते हैं. A lot of trend, मतलब ये ट्रेंड कभी जाता ही नहीं. This is like an everyday thing. And a bow. I don't know if it's looking good or not, but I like it, so I'm wearing it. Because I am not comfortable with this hairstyle. I can't bear open hair. I want it like in a pony or something. Open hair मुझे irritate कर देते हैं. I can't, but I am doing it for you guys. So now let's wear our jewelry. This ये मैं 3-4 साल पहले लाई थी और आज तक एक बार नहीं पहना. Okay, let me just look at it. I don't like it so much, but I still wear it because get out of my comfort zone and try something new. Alright, so, but I'm gonna wear this over the sleeve. So this looks pretty cute. And for earrings, I don't know. This is very small. Okay, so final decision are these earrings. It's too much, but it's too good, so I'm wearing it. How I dress. I am a very simple girl. Okay, let me do a reveal to you guys. So this is an oversized t-shirt. This is a jeans. I don't have that, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, loose wala jeans. I'm going to buy it soon, but this is a bell bottom one. Looks kind of cute. This wala t-shirt, and it looks really cute. This is not how I actually dress every single day, especially the hair and the makeup and the jewelry. I never wear all this. Let me just look at it. It looks kind of cute. Like, guys, confidence is what matters, right? मतलब अगर confidence हो बंदे के अंदर, then we can accomplish anything we want. So I have confidence. I'll keep my confidence, and I know I look good. I like it. Okay, guys, I forgot this. Wait. Almost forgot it. It looks really nice with this outfit. I have two glasses to pair with this outfit. Either this or this looks way better. But it's like sad. चश्मे वाली लड़की हूँ. I have to wear my specs whenever I go out, so the goggle things will never work. Try करना चाहती थी. Without that, how it will look, and it looks way better without the bow and all. Bye.